Hello, Brian Jorgensen with Bud's Machine Tools. We just installed an energy emission press brake here with Landon. I was going to let him just describe what he thought his experience was with Bud's Machine Tools.
So I started out with a cheaper machine and was really interested in bending. I wanted to upgrade and get something that was full CNC. Didn't really know where to go or who to talk to. A friend of mine had some previous equipment that he bought from Bud's as well. Spoke highly of him. I called and talked to Brian and had good experience. He was very knowledgeable. Ended up buying this brake press, one of his band saws, and then one of his cooling fans as well. So it was a good experience overall. Took a little bit to get this press here. Nothing to do with Brian, just shipping, but now it's here. Super excited. Looking forward to playing with it and just taking my shop to another level of what we can do, having the capability of the full program. Came, hooked everything up. Gus was good to work with, very knowledgeable. Been going through it, doing some training. Figure the rest out as we go, but I know I can call these guys if I need something. So, been good experience overall.
Thank you, Hyman.
Thanks, fam.